To use a television in the lounge, start by pressing the red on button on the remote control. This will turn the television on. If the TV does not turn on, please check that it is switched on from the wall socket down there. You have access to standard television channels. You can access the guide for the television channels by pressing the guide button on the remote control, and that will load up the menu for today's television. The white line down the middle represents the channel that is on now and the programme. For example, if we was to scroll down to Holiday Inn with Jane McDonald, press OK, and that channel will come on. You can also scroll through the television channels by pressing the page up and down option on the remote control. You also have access to Netflix, and you can access Netflix by pressing the home button on the remote control, scrolling along to the correct option, selecting OK. You should find that Netflix is already logged in. You can then scroll through television programs and watch as you desire.